Cloud Search allows users to find information across all Stony Brook University Google products, including Gmail, Drive, Google Groups, and more. Searches can be refined and filtered for advanced queries, assisting you in locating exactly what you need across a variety of different resources. Please keep in mind that Google Cloud Search is only available to Google Education Plus account holders only. To access Google Cloud Search, go to cloudsearch.google.com. Here you will see any recently opened Google files that you can access for a quick access option, along with any recent or upcoming meetings. If there are documents attached to the meeting, they will appear here as well. Before I show how to perform a search and analyze it, let me talk about the search restrictions. If someone in your network made a file publicly searchable to all within your network, then that file may show in your results regardless if you have accessed it previously or not. Files that are not publicly searchable must have been shared directly with you, or you must have opened a link to the file in order for them to appear in your search results. You can search by file owner, which we'll discuss later in this video. However, if the file you're looking for is in a shared drive, it will not appear. Files in shared drives do not have listed owners, so they would have to be searched for in a different way. And lastly, searches cannot locate information in shared inboxes. At the top of the screen, you have access to a search bar. Here, you can begin to search what you are looking for. You can search by keywords, people, file titles, or more. And often, when you type in something to look for, Cloud Search will show suggestions to modify your search. For example, if I type in my colleague's name, you will see her name appear, but you will also see a suggested search that includes my colleague's name. But instead, I'm going to type a keyword, MiniByte, which is our branding for workshops that we conduct, and I want to see the results so I can see any material that we've created in the results. When reviewing the results of your query, you will automatically be directed to view all results that match your search. This will display the file type / location of the result, meaning if this result is from a presentation, email, Google site, PDF, etc. And it will also list how you have access to the result. For example, if a file was shared with you, or if it was an email received and when it was received, or if you have access to the file from a shared drive or through another method. When reviewing the results, you can filter by the following options in these tabs. Mail will show you emails from Gmail. Drive will show files owned by you, shared with you, or publicly searchable files. Sites will show any information from your search that matches in a Google site you have access to. Groups will show messages from a Google group you belong to or that match your search. People will show you other users in the SBU network that match your result. And if you hit More, you will see Calendar. This will show any calendar event that matches your search. In each filter tab, you have additional filtering options. Below are the filtering options for each tab. For example, in the Drive area, you can filter for documents by time, all documents or documents owned by you, or by document type, meaning text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Another example is in the Mail tab. You can filter by time or by received or sent mail. If you are looking for a file owned by another specific person, you can phrase your search in the following way to maximize your results. Type the file type and then the words owned by and then the person's name. For example, if my colleague Christy shared a document with me, but I cannot remember the name of the document, I can search for docs owned by Christy. When searching for files by owner, you'll notice that you will be advised how the search is being conducted. In this example below, we searched for docs owned by Christy, and it advised that it's showing results for owner, Christy, and type, document, source, drive. It is worth noting that you are unable to search this way for a particular keyword in addition to the specific owner. So if I knew the file name, and I also wanted it to show owned by Christy, it's unable to do so. But you can filter results to assist you in your search. If you are looking for someone in your network, you can search for their name in Cloud Search as well. For example, I can search myself, Kyle Adams, and then in the results, I can locate my contact card. Here the following information will appear: my title, Technology Solutions and Engagement Specialist, and the department where I work, Customer Engagement and Support. It also shows my email, phone number, the location where I work, and the manager who I report to. Thank you for watching. For more information on Google tools, including Google Education Plus features, please subscribe to our channel.